How to build wealth. If you are broke, 6 tips. Building wealth is a long-term process that requires dedication, hard work, and smart decision-making. While it may seem overwhelming at first glance, anyone can build wealth if they have the right mindset and approach. To get started on your journey to becoming financially independent, here are some tips for building wealth from scratch. 1. Set clear financial goals. To build wealth, you must have an understanding of what you want to achieve financially and how you plan to get there. Consider your short, medium, and long-term goals so that you can create an action plan and focus your efforts. 2. Start budgeting. Budgeting is key to controlling expenses and setting aside money for savings and investments each month. Make sure that you track all income and expenses accurately so that you can make informed decisions when it comes to managing your cash flow. 3. Pay off debt as quickly as possible. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly add up and erode your savings potential. Prioritize paying off debt with the highest interest rate first in order to reduce the overall cost of repayment. 4. Create an emergency fund for unforeseen events. This will ensure that you have enough money saved in case of unexpected costs or loss of income. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses covered. 5. Start investing early. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth over time. Consider opening a retirement account such as a 401k or IRA if your employer offers one. Otherwise, invest in stocks or ETFs directly through a brokerage firm or robo-advisor. 6. Diversify your investments across different asset classes such as cash equivalents like CDs, bonds. Government bonds are generally considered safer than corporate bonds. Stocks, index funds often provide broad exposure with low fees, and alternative investments like real estate or cryptocurrency. Action is key. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss out on our latest content.